How are y'all? How are you doing? So I wanted to show you this fantastic product, this fantastic laser engraver that it's helping me a lot. Actually, it's been a long time that I wanted to have this kind of product, and I always thought that it was kind of expensive and all of that. But when I came across with this one, I said, "Hey, I'm gonna buy it because the price is pretty affordable, and let's see if it's what I was looking for." And it definitely is. It definitely is. It's actually much easier to use than I thought. For example, with other products, maybe you need to use a computer or it's a little bit complicated, but with this one, super easy. You just need your phone. It works with Bluetooth. It's completely wireless. Here, you have the cable, the power cable, and you can connect it to the well, to the normal outlet, to your house outlet, or this is very interesting. You can use just a power bank. So it's super portable. First of all, this is super portable, and apart from that, you can even use a power bank as a source of power. So what else can you ask for? Um, so first of all, I'm gonna show you how it works. I think it's better. Um, Super easy. You just download the app. I think you can see here. I'm gonna show you with the phone. You download the app, LaserPecker, funny name, I love it. You enter, and I disconnected the Bluetooth purpose. So you see here, it recognizes the device, and when I connect the Bluetooth, magic, it connects automatically, immediately. Uh, so it's super convenient, it's super easy to use, as I'm gonna show you. And let's make an example, something simple. I prepared a small piece of thin cardboard or recycled paper. I'm gonna go for recycled paper. I think this is more like a recycled paper. And I want to show you the engraving, not only the regular engraving, but also with some colors, because you can add some powder. Here I add some like greenish powder because I want to show you the engraving also with well with colors. Why not? So I will just go for an easy example. Here you can choose a picture from your phone. You can use an example that I have. You can even make your own design. Up to you. It's super easy, and you have it all here on the app. For example, I'm gonna choose. Let's go for something very simple. Why not? Yeah, let's go for this flower. Okay, here you have flower. You select it, and you choose the size. Let's go for something small, 30 millimeters. Here, you say next, and important. There is a security code when you register, which is super easy. You just need to register your phone and your name. That's it. I mean, it's something very simple, and it tells you to submit a security code. Why? This is very important. If you have kids, you will understand. This product, it's super safe. This is something that I love. It's super safe. It's super light. It's super um, convenient if you try to engrave something. Of course, the power is more than enough, but in kids' hands, it can be a little bit more unsafe than it looks like. So it's very good that you have a code because you just submit the code and then that allows you to have a little bit of control over the engraving. Uh, the file is transferred very quickly. File is transferring, and here it will ask you the material where you want to engrave it. In this case, here we can choose. See, many. So I'm going to choose. I will go for recycled paper. I think this is recycled paper, yeah. And it gives you like a suggestion: power 100%, depth 50%. But again, you can choose the power. As you can see here, you can choose the depth as well. So it's actually, it just gives you suggestions, but it's fully mm, customizable. You can customize it easily. So don't worry, it's not like the app will force you to use a power or a depth that is specified here. They are just giving you a suggestion, so it's very good. But let's start. Let's start. And here we go. I don't I don't know if you can see it, but it's already engraving. And this, well, This is actually something that I love it. I was sending some pictures from my computer to my phone. Um, yeah, and later I want to engrave something else. I'm gonna show you some engravings that I did. For example, these ones are very simple. This was for testing. I use this chunk of wood for making a dog. Here, I wasn't using this wood anymore. I wanted to try to make it in leather. Here you can see, this is just an example. Here we have foam, we have rubber, we have handsome dog. You can see practically all the surfaces. I think I have something else here, but I am making many tests. I'm having lots of fun with these guys, I can tell you. This is a phone case, wood. It can engrave on wood perfectly. I was amazed. In fact, I will show you this. This is my favorite. I had like a couple of coasters, wooden coasters. This is me and my dog, and this is my girlfriend. You see. So we have like sort of personalized coasters now, and this took like 10-15 minutes for the machine to do it. So it's very good. And what else can I tell you? Oh, I thought I had trashed the box, but I didn't, fortunately. So I can show you. This is the box. Okay, I didn't trash it, fortunately. It comes with practically everything that you may need. The cable, the head for connecting to the outlet, the googles, the safety googles. Well, actually, you don't need them unless where is it? Unless you use the stand. If you use this stand, of course, it's convenient that you use the googles. They will protect your eyes for sure. But in this case, I prefer to use the safety shield. You can see it's pretty handsome, right? Very easy to use because you need to set the device at the proper distance, and this already makes the job for you. So you just put it here, you place the device here, the LaserPecker here, and that's it. It's the proper distance, and the only thing that you need to do is to use your phone. It's still engraving. By the way, you can pause it. Here, I just paused. You can see you can continue with the engraving. It's now at the 45%, 46% and counting. What else can I tell you? Well, as I told you, I will repeat this. I have tried many times because when I took the device outside, I went with my friends because this is like something very cool. That by the way, I'm not gonna need the I'm not gonna need the googles anymore. When I was out with my friends, they were asking me, "Hey, I have tons of pictures that I would love to engrave here or there, or I have also some wood, or for making like a cute present, why not?" To their girlfriends, they told me, "Hey, just bring along the laser engraver," and they thought it was like something of rocket science. That it was very difficult to carry, but this wonder you can carry it very easily. It's super light. Again, you can use merely your power bank. So you don't even need to use the cable. You can go to a park, for example, and start engraving anything you want. Well, don't engrave the trees or something like that. But you know what I mean. It's very convenient. It's very convenient, and again, the price is very good. Actually, I was surprised, and again, I wanted to buy one of these machines time ago, but they were hell of expensive. But now, seriously, they are very affordable, and I think this is the best choice by far that you can make. Okay, we're at 78%, 79%. I think we are gonna finish soon. Here, as you can see, I'm staring at the laser, at the pointer, and it's not hurting my eyes at all. This shield, this orange shield, it protects your eyes, so you're not gonna need the googles if you are using this. But again, please, just for safety, I'm gonna repeat this. Sorry for being repetitive, but I'm gonna repeat this. Whenever you use the stand, but it's very easy to use. See, it's still scopic, so you need to place it in the proper distance. Here is where you will attach the device. if you use this, please, I need to stress this. Use the Googles. That's gonna be better for you. It's not gonna burn your eyes immediately or something like that. But if you're like somebody that is all the time using it, like me, I'm like a freak of this device now. Better use the Googles. It's gonna protect your eyes in cases, just for avoiding some visits to the doctor, if you know what I mean. Okay, it's 99% and we are done. Perfect. We take this out. See? And let's remove the rest of the powder. And here, there you go. I've just engraved this fantastic flower. It looks like a snowflake. I have just engraved this flower on green, so it's not only the the traditional color that it burns the wood, the brownish or the blackish that you can engrave. Here you can see this looks more like blackish. It's not only that, you can also use I think, what did I put it? You can use this powder. It can be red, it can be green, it can be the color that you want. And with this powder, you can also give your engravements a little bit of color, a little bit, a touch of color. So well, guys, that's everything. There's nothing else that I can tell you about this device. I hope you like it, and I think that it will help you a lot, like it has helped me as well. Bye bye.